Wealthsimple is always improving their platform, and they're trying to make it more friendly and it'll be easy for anyone who wants to trade on their platform to use. So let's look at on the crypto side what update and improvement they've done so far. Hello, welcome to Finance 101, and this is just a quick update on Wealthsimple on the crypto side, a new update they did. So as if you go down on your Wealthsimple crypto site, you can see now that they added this transfer button down here. So what does this do? If you click on transfer, you will notice that you can deposit crypto now, meaning you can bring your crypto from a different platform and bring it over to Wealthsimple right now, something you couldn't do before. And you can also withdraw from here and send it to somewhere else. And you can also hold it as a cash that you can send to somebody. Say you want to buy somebody a present, but you don't have the money, you can send them a little bit of your, right now they're only doing it for Ethereum and Bitcoin right now, but latest they're saying that they're going to be adding more to it. They actually said that Dogecoin is the next one to go on there, that you can actually send as a gift to somebody else through the same transfer here. So if I had the same account, you can transfer some of your Bitcoin or Ethereum to me right now, and I can also use it. The same way you can also receive too. And this would have been perfect back when Binance had to shut down Canadians. If they had that, some of my crypto up there, I wouldn't have sold it. I would have just transferred over here, but I had to sell it and end up buying it back here, which cost me a little bit exchange rate here and there, and plus I have to pay the fees to get in there. So this is really a good news to be able to do this right now, because now you have the freedom to, whether you want to have a external wallet to keep your crypto on there, or they can also host it for you. But the only thing is, if you do decide to get your own external hard drive to keep your crypto on there, it's two things you have to worry about. One, you can forget your password and you're on your own, because on the wallet, you're the one who's in control of it, so they can't help you reset or anything. So if you're going to do that, make sure you write your password somewhere safe where you can always recover if you need it. Two, you can also misplace or lose your wallet. That's another problem you have to worry about. But having said that, if you're good at those two, but probably the perfect way is for you to keep your cryptos on your own wallet and keep it in a safe, somewhere safe, where you can always have access to it. Other than that, they're also going to keep it for you, and they got insurance for just in case anything happen. If you forget your password or anything, they can reset it for you. That you can't get it for if you're holding your own. So that's the only difference. Apart from that, so far, that's what the update they've done so far, and they've been adding new cryptos on here too. So I think you have about 30 or 40 now. They started from, I think, like 5, and they're working their way up. So it seems like they're really working on making the platform very friendly for anyone who love to trade crypto or even the regular stocks and get on here. So right now, I would say, since they're doing commission free, and I would say with this one, the best platform on here right now for free, at least. All the other ones now you're gonna have to pay to get in. And as a little investors like we are, we trying to get it started and all. We can't really afford it paying $10, $7 per trade, and also when we sell. So if you can save that money, that's great. And I put the link in the description. If you haven't signed up to Wealthsimple yet and you'd like to get in, you can go to my link, and I'll get a little kickback. And you also get 2 free stock for signing up, and if you deposit at least $100 on your first deposit. So this was a quick update on Wealthsimple and how now you can now receive or transfer your cryptos or hold on your wallet. And you can also give a little bit of your crypto. Right now, only Ethereum and Bitcoin right now you can send as a gift, and Dogecoin is coming soon. It's going to be followed by a lot of them, so keep your eye out. Peace. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye for now.